Hello dear viewers. So today we'll see about personal pronoun. Before knowing the meaning of personal pronoun, what is pronoun first? We'll understand that. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. So here the pronoun is having a several types. So instead of noun, whatever the words we are using, that are the pronoun. So personal pronoun means here we are seeing only particular words are there. They are known as personal pronoun. Here we'll see words that can take the place of a noun are called personal pronoun. These words are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us and them. So here these are the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns and these all are. Next here you can observe two sentences are there. Let's read it to get it better. We can understand it better when we will read it. Okay. When my mother saw a master at the gate, my mother would trot up to our master. So here you can read the second sentence now. When my mother saw our master at the gate, she would trot up to him. So here you can observe here in two sentences. Till here the sentences are same. Okay. So but from here the sentences are changed. Why? Because here again and again we have used twice we have used a noun. So whenever we are using a noun again and again it's looking awkward. That time what we are doing, first time we are using a noun, next time we know that for that particular person, about the particular person we are talking, that time we are using pronoun. So here beside of my mother we have used here she, and beside of our master we have used him. Note how the second sentence the pronouns she and him replaced my mother and our master. So here we have observed it already. Next let's see these sentences to get things clear. Okay. Rewrite these sentences using personal pronoun in place of the highlighted words. So here you can see these are the highlighted words. So what we have to do, we have to replace that. Okay, what we have to do here, we have to rewrite the sentences by using personal pronoun. First we will read it, then we can understand it. Okay. Here Mohsin is a boy. Mohsin is at home. So here like that we are not using. You are telling like that again and again we are repeating. No. If you are using that, this sentence only convert in your mother tongue. You can convert in your mother tongue. That time you can understand that. Mohsin is a boy. Mohsin is at home. Like that we are not using. One time we have used here. We are talking about Mohsin. That time Mohsin is a boy here already mentioned. So boy for boy, what we are using here, you can observe here we are using for boy he, him, he and him we are using. But which is suitable for here? Here Mohsin is a boy, he is at home. Him means is belonging are there means that time we are using him. But here belonging is not there, he is present at home. So that's time what we are doing here. Beside of Mohsin we are using he. Next, Halima is a girl. Who is Halima? Is a girl. So for girl what we are using here? She, and her we are using for girl. So here Halima is a girl. Where is she? She is in class. So here it's nothing is belongs to her. So here the place while we are directing place, that time we are using he, she, it, like that. Okay. So here Halima is a girl. Here what we have to use? She. Next is Mohsin and Halima are siblings. Mohsin and Halima are siblings. Siblings means brother and sisters, like that. Okay. So Mohsin and Halima live in Lucknow. So one time we have said that Mohsin and Halima are siblings. Again and again we can't repeat their names. So here two members are there. Mohsin is a boy and Halima is a girl. So that time what we have to use here? There are two members. So here we have to use the plural form they. They lived in Lucknow. Next, Julian is a clever boy. Julian is a clever boy. I like Julian. So here I like like is, so we are telling something is belonging. So here I like, what we have to use here, he or him, we have to use here him. Okay, I like him. Next, Manny is our friend. Manny is a 12-year-old. So here Manny is our friend. She is 12-year friend old. So here about her we are telling. So here she we have to use here. Next sentence, last sentence is the girls won the competition. The principal will give the girls an award. So here you can see the girls won the competition. Okay. Again we can't use again if we are using the girls it will look like awkward. So that time what we are using here plural form there girl. So here the girls won the competition. The principal give them. Okay, if it is a singular, her we are using here plural form there. So here what we have to use, them and award. The girls won the competition, the principal will give them an award. So this is all about the personal pronoun. In next video we will try to understand about the possessive pronoun. Okay, thank you.